Alright guys, part 2 of my nature getaway. Found a sweet little spot. A lot of beach, it's kind of rocky. Got a lot of sticks and stuff, but look at this. How do you beat this? Just stunning views. You know, I get caught up in my head living in Utah, thinking that it's too small for me. Sometimes it's too crowded even because it's too small. But in reality, we're all like 45, 30 minutes away from this at any point in the state, which is pretty awesome. If you've never been to Utah, come visit. It's beautiful. Thanks guys.